In this video, I'll show you how to use Files View in Monday.com. Start by opening the board that contains your files. Files View allows you to see all files attached to items in one centralized location. If the view isn't already available, click the plus button beside your existing views. Search for files and select Files View. Monday.com will create the view and gather files from across the board. You'll see documents, images, PDFs, videos, and other uploaded files displayed in one place. You can switch between different layouts depending on your preference. Click any file to preview it without leaving the board. You can also download files, open the associated item, or upload additional files directly from the view. Files View is especially useful for creative teams, project managers, and client projects where many documents are shared. Instead of opening each item individually, you can quickly browse all attachments in one screen. And that's how to use Files View in Monday.com.